Welcome back to the longest spreadsheet on cash flow return on investment. So I was presenting details on gross cash flow. So investment NWC, you just simply have to type in equals worksheet exclamation mark dot E40, so on the relevant letter that's inserted on the heading. As for this, it is F40, so back to F. Here it's equals sum, now it's 12 and 19. So the others you have to two dot and match those letters together. So in released, NWC, same again. Net change, you just have to do each figures minus the other, so E23 minus E24. Same with the other letters, so yep. Now go into the capex. And CR. Okay, balance sheet equals worksheet ID 50 equals worksheet ID 51 for balance sheet for gross assets. Say there's no depreciating. That's because there's no numbers. And that's because the worksheet has not yet inserted that relevant number. So when I go into the worksheet, I will calculate and it should be answers the number of figures. So in the end, I will check back on this exhibit sheet and the number of figures for this and all the way up to the growth rate and project return on investment. There will be a number of figures inserted into the sheet. Now, the cash flow return on investment for gross CF and gross assets is equal to worksheet F54. G54 and so on. Value hashtag 1 equals present value NCO T plus 1 to YR page 58 worksheet, page 58 for the worksheet. Anyway, let's go into these existing assets. Equals worksheet R explanation mark G75 H75 and I75 worksheet G56 for present value released NWC. Is the present value of total receipts from existing assets, so M plus N. Yeah, now here's what I have to calculate the next part, which is investment D plus G on future investments. So I23 plus I28. Okay, equals K23 plus K28. Alright, with the wrong section there. Okay, here we go. Equals M23 plus M28. Equals O23 plus O28. As for this one, it's equal to Q23 plus Q28. That includes the stop investment section, so equals S23 plus S28 equals to U23 plus U28, and then equals W and 23 plus W and 28. Okay, so that's very good so far. Present value of investments equal to worksheet of G98 equal to worksheet of H98, I98, J98, K98, L98, M98, and N98. Okay, we'll have to calculate the next one, which is the incremental wealth created, B minus Q. So simply, present value of investment minus investments D plus G. Same with the other letters, equals K56 minus K54. M58, M56 minus M54. O56, and it's O54. Q56, Q54. And that's S56 minus S54. U56, U54. And then now into W at 56 minus W54. Okay, and then the present value incremental wealth stream equals worksheet exclamation mark J102 H102 I102 J102 K102 L102 M102 and then N102. Okay, now we have to calculate the value 2. O plus S. Okay, yep. So it is I49 plus I60. Yeah. Now K49 plus K60. M49 plus M60. O49 060 equals Q49 plus Q60, then equals S49 plus S60. Then it goes to U49 plus U60. Then 0, 0, so no answers. Okay, then W49, W60. Okay, now I'm going to the shareholder return. Value T plus NCR. Okay, this is going to be tricky, so I'll try my very best to get these figures correct. So it starts off with an equals. Bracket K63 plus K30 divided by I63 minus 1. Smaller. Basically, it's 0.74. That's the answer. So, okay, so the next one is equals M63 plus M30 divided by K63 minus 1. So percentage answer 68.8%. Equals 0.63 minus M63 minus 1. 62.9%. Q63 plus Q30 divided by 0.63 minus 1. Okay, fortunately I'm out of time, so I'll continue in a few minutes and start and finish off the shareholder return, and I have to calculate the percentage future, and that should be the end of the Exhibit sheet. Yep, so stay tuned and wash your hands. Hope you all stay well and very safe, and hope you all have a very good weekend. So thank you all for watching this video for today. See you all very soon. Adios.